I'm trying to find my calling. I'm calling at night. I don't mean to be a bother, but have you seen this girl? She's been running through my dreams, and it's driving me crazy, it seems. I'm gonna ask her to marry me. The neighbor said she moved away. Funny how it rained all day. I didn't think much of it then, but it's starting to all make sense. Oh, I can see now that all of these clouds are following me in my desperate endeavor to find my whoever, wherever she may be.
I'm not coming back. I've done something so terrible and terrified to speak what you'd expect from me. I'm mixed up all these. I know the rain is just washing you out of my hair and out of my mind. Keeping an eye on the world with so many thousands of feet off the ground. I'm over you now. I'm at home in the clouds, towering over your head.
I guess I'll go home now. I guess I'll go home now. I guess I'll go home now. I guess I'll go home.